This pendant light includes the metal housing bracket, the metal housing plus a metal bracket in back, your standard hot and neutral wires. The angle of the bracket can be adjusted. As I noted in my review, mine came with the dimmer module loose. It's held with double stick tape that was not very good. I just used better double stick tape. The metal housing is a bit thin, and you'll want to note that because rubbing against the cable might not be so good. The light itself is sturdily made. Looks like quality components. The paint and finish and heft are nice and what expected. Comes with your standard accessories, and this ground screw, which was loose, or I'm not sure. Usually is attached, and then some installation instructions, which are fairly standard. The metal cable's thick and has a plastic housing, but you'll want to be careful not to accidentally cut that. During the installation or after installation, you'll note that in my case, I reattached that dimmer module and used a cable tie to coil up the wire, because that little tab to adjust the length is a pain. You want to make sure to get this right the first time. Screw holes that attach your bracket and the screws that attach the bracket to your junction box.